Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD JPY in front of us, and as you can see that USD JPY is right now trading at 115.27. This is the current market price. If we go to the currency strike meter here, we can see that for the Monday, JPY is on the weaker side, whereas NZD and CAD are the strongest currency. Euro is the weakest and JPY is more on the weaker side. But as you can see that there is not much selling pressure on JPY. So as the day will pass, there may be some improvement. There may be some bullishness on the JPY as well. But as of now, JPY is on the weaker side. Okay. To be honest, I do not see many levels on the chart of USD JPY. For scalping purpose, day trading purpose, okay, I will not recommend anything right now. But yes, if you are looking for good levels on USD JPY, safe levels on USD JPY, then I will suggest you few levels. The first level is 150, 115.50 to 115.70. Why this level is important? Why the resistance is important? Because we can see that market has tried to cross the level previously, but market failed. So it gives us the confirmation that yes, sellers are present here in this level, 115.5 to 115.7 is a seller's zone in the market. And most importantly, I would like to mention one more thing, that is, see, when market was extremely bullish here but still market failed to cross this particular resistance zone. So try to understand the market psychology here. So there must be something, there must be someone present here who did not allow the market to cross this level. So there is a possibility that yes, strong sellers are still present and market will be facing the same selling pressure once market reaches this resistance. So if market reverses from here, definitely we can take a sell position. But if market breaks the level and starts going up, okay, then I'll say that do not take a buy position immediately. You can consider a buy position only above 115.70. But to go for a buy also, you must wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price after the breakout, because as I just mentioned, this level is a strong one, so you need proper confirmation. Keep in mind, there is also false breakouts in the market. False breakouts are dangerous, and to avoid false breakouts, you must wait and watch and observe. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours, market is trading comfortably above 115.70, then only go for buy. Otherwise, no. And if market starts coming down, then yes, scalpers can take a buy position here in this low level, but personally I will not take any trade, and I will also not suggest taking a buy position here to beginners as well. What beginners can do, new traders can do, they can apply moving averages here. Okay, in forex market, 50 moving average and 200 moving average really works well. You can go for SM, simple moving average, exponential moving average. It's your personal choice. Okay, but you can use moving average as dynamic support and resistance as well. Okay, so here if market comes down, then there is a possibility that market will be getting the required support from the 50 moving average or 200 moving average. If you find market bouncing from the any of the moving averages, you can also take a buy position, but make sure that you get the proper confirmation first, because dynamic support and resistance level are weaker in comparison to the static support and resistances. It means that the horizontal levels. Okay, so wait for proper confirmation. Confirmation will be in the form of a hammer. It can be in the form of a bullish pin bar or something like that. Okay, once you get a confirmation, then only take a buy position at the support. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. and please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. And if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.